In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed form on Shopify Klaviyo. We will begin inside your Klaviyo dashboard. After you sign in, look to the left-hand menu and click Sign Up Forms. This is where you manage the forms connected to your account. From here, select the form you want to place on your Shopify store. Make sure you open the correct form, since the embed code will come from that specific form setup. Once the form is open, go to the Targeting and Behavior tab in the left panel. This area controls how and where the form is displayed. Under Form Type, choose Embed. This is an important setting because it tells Klaviyo that the form will be manually placed inside your store instead of appearing as a pop-up or flyout. After that, click Publish in the top right corner. When the form is published, copy the embed code provided. You will need this code in the next part of the process, so keep it ready. Next, move over to your Shopify admin dashboard. After logging in, go to Online Store, then Themes. Here you will see your current live theme. Click Customize next to that active theme to open the theme editor. This is where you can control the layout and content of your store pages. Inside the editor, navigate to the specific page and section where you want the Klaviyo form to appear. Take a moment here to choose the right location so the form fits naturally into your page design. Once you are in the correct area, select Custom Liquid. This section allows you to insert custom code directly into the page. Now paste the Klaviyo embed code you copied earlier into the text input box. Be careful to paste the full code exactly as it was copied, since even a small change can prevent the form from loading properly. After the code is in place, click Save in the top right corner. At this point, your embedded Klaviyo form should be added to your Shopify page. If needed, you can preview the page to confirm the form is displaying in the correct section and looks the way you expect. If it does not appear right away, saving and refreshing the editor or storefront usually helps confirm the update. That covers everything you need to know.